So chant Omkar 3 times, then we will start. Om. Sairam. So we are discussing change in the profit sharing ratio, and we have already discussed one topic, that is how to adjust the goodwill at the time of change in profit sharing ratio. Okay. Now we will solve some problems about the treatment of reserves, provisions, and accumulated profits at the time of change in profit sharing ratio. So quickly I am revising. There are two methods of treatment of these reserves, provisions, and accumulated losses at the time of change in profit sharing ratio. First one is that partners may decide to distribute the reserves, accumulated profits and losses at the time of change in profit sharing ratio. So that will be distributed among all partners in their old profit sharing ratio. Second method is that partners may decide that these reserves and provisions or accumulated profits and losses will continue in the books of accounts. So in place of distributing them, in place of closing their accounts, they make the adjustment for the gain or sacrifice on the basis of net divisible amount of reserves, provisions, or this accumulated profits and losses. So let us try to solve some problems so we can understand how to record the entries for this uh, reserves and profits at the time of change in profit sharing ratio. Let me present the screen. Okay, so we can use that whiteboard. Okay, so this is the screen. Is it visible to all of you? The screen is visible, Sairam.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now let us.
Yes, sir.
Now all of you, if you all of you have this T.S. Grewal's book, so open page number 4.40, question number 10 in my book. X and Y are partners in a firm, sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. So open this question. Let us try to solve it. So let me use whiteboard. Okay, and I want a new one. Create new, and I want text here. Text. Okay, I want text. I have selected text. Okay. Let me take it up to here, from here to here, and from here to here, this side. Okay. Now, this is the question where X and Y are partners. The ratio of profit sharing ratio is given. Old ratio, but what we can say, old profit sharing ratio, that is 3:2. Okay, and they want to change profit sharing ratio, and the new profit sharing ratio will be equally. So new ratio is the old ratio is 3:2. Old ratio and new ratio will be equal. That means 1:1. Are you understanding, Bairam?
Yes, sir.
Have you got the question?
Yes, sir.
Now what they want to do, on the date of change in profit sharing ratio, the profit and loss account showed a credit balance of rupees 1,50,000. Credit balance of profit and loss account means profit or loss. Siddharth, will tell. Is it a profit or is it a loss? Credit balance of profit and loss account.
Sir, it is profit, sir.
It is profit. Sure, very good. It's a profit, है ना? So there is a credit balance of profit and loss account rupees 1,50,000. Record the necessary journal entry for the uh, distribution of the balance in the profit and loss account immediately before change in profit sharing ratio. So in this question, they don't want to continue. They want to distribute this profit before the change in profit sharing ratio. So I have already discussed partners may opt for distribution of reserves and profits, or partners may opt for continuing this reserves and profits. So here what they want to distribute. So we have to pass the entry for distribution. Entry will be profit and loss account debit, profit and loss account debit to all partners capital account. All partners means whatever the names of the partners we have to write. All partners means there are two partners only. To X capital account until it is mentioned the capitals are fixed. We will assume the capitals of partners are fluctuating. Are you understanding? And we will use capital account. Okay. To X capital account and to Y's capital account. Being this accumulated profit distributed among partners, between partners. Okay. So this will be distributed in which ratio? Amount of profit is 1,50,000. Okay.
Old ratio.
Okay, very good. So this profit and loss will be distributed in the old profit sharing ratio. Old ratio is how much? Old ratio is 3:2. Means 1,50,000 upon 5. No, 30,000 into 3. So 90,000. X will get 90,000 and Y will get 60,000. Can you distribute it? 1,50,000 into 3 by 5. No, you can solve it. 1,50,000 into 3 by 5 for A and 1,50,000 into 2 by 5 for X and 1 by this for Y. So that is, here I can show you 1,50,000. X here will be X is equal to 1,50,000 and X sold share is into 3 by 5. It will be equal to 90,000 and I is equal to 1,50,000 into 2 by 5 is equal to 60,000. Is it clear, Ram?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the question number 10. Now let us see next question. A and B are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. Here are the partners A and B. Their profit sharing ratio is 4:1. Old ratio 4:1. No. What they did on this date? They decided to share future profits in the ratio of 3:2 with effect from 1st April 2020. New ratio is equal to 3:2. This is their new ratio, and they want to change their profit sharing ratio. At that time of change in profit sharing ratio, profit and loss account showed a debit balance. Profit and loss account debit balance rupees, debit balance is rupees 1 lakh. Okay. See the question. A and B are partners. They were sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 4:1. Now they want to change the profit sharing ratio as 3:2. So old ratio is 4:1. New ratio is 3:2. and this profit and loss account debit balance is there in the books of accounts. That means debit balance means what is that? Profit or loss. Debit balance means what?
It's a loss.
It's the loss. Okay, so what they want to do? They want to pass the entry to give effect to the above. So they want to distribute this loss. So it will be opposite entry of the previous one. So it will be partners capital account debit, A's capital account debit, then B's capital account debit, A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit to profit and loss account. A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit to profit and loss account, being the loss or accumulated loss distributed among the partners. Okay, being the accumulated loss distributed among the partners, it will be distributed in old ratio or new ratio.
Sir, old ratio.
Old ratio, definitely. All the profits and losses or reserve will be distributed in the old ratio among all partners. So A's loss will be 1 lakh into 4 by 5. Right? A's share is 4 by 5 old ratio. So A has to bear 80,000
80,000.
equal to 80,000, and B's share will be A is equal to 1 lakh into how much? 1 by 5. Right? 1 by 5, that means is equal to 20,000. So A's share of loss is 80,000, B's share of loss is 20,000, and total loss is 1 lakh. Okay, profit and loss account will be created by rupees 1 lakh. So these are the two problems where we have to distribute the profits and losses by passing the entries. Now let us solve some questions where we don't have to distribute, but we have to make the adjustment entry for this profit or loss. Okay, is it clear by these two examples? In one we have to pass the entry for profit, other we have to pass the entry for loss. Now let us see another question where we don't have to pass the distribution entry, but we have to pass the adjustment entry. Okay. Now let us see. Okay, some questions are given related workman compensation reserves. Let us solve them also. Then because I think in आगे दिए वो क्वेश्चन, पहले इसको देखते हैं. Question number 12. ABC are partners in a firm. Next question after that, whatever we have solved, whatever is the number in your book. A, B, and C are three partners in a firm, and they are sharing profits and losses 5-3-2. The old ratio is 5-3-2. Old ratio is 5-3-2. Okay, old हो गया. Very old. Old ratio is 5-3-2. Their new profit sharing ratio is, actually we don't we need, or well first let us read, then we will decide whether we need new ratio or not. They decided to share future profits and losses at the in the ratio 2-3-5. Give the journal entry to distribute workman compensation reserve. Okay, 1,20,000 at the time of change in profit sharing ratio. Okay, so we don't need new ratio. समझ में आ रहा है क्या आपको? If we have to distribute, then we don't need new ratio. We will need new ratio only when we have to make the adjustment, so we can find out the gain or sacrifice. But we can write for information. New ratio is 2-3-5. They decide to use new ratio 2-3-5, but we don't need new ratio. They have given two conditions about workman compensation reserve. Workman compensation reserve amount is 1,20,000, and they say in condition number 1, no other information is given, and there is no claim against it. Okay. Workman compensation reserve rupees 1,20,000 at the time of change in profit sharing ratio. No other information is given. It means that there is no claim, and no claim, it also means there is no claim. Okay, it means we have to distribute it. No? In both the conditions, entry will be what? What will be entry for distribution? Anurag. Sairam.
Yes, sir. Workman.
Yes. Workman compensation
Compensation
reserve
reserve. Compensation reserve to claim if any, or if there is no claim, then partners capital account. Two partners capital account.
You can see the question in the question. Is there any claim? In this question, is there any claim? क्वेश्चन हम सॉल्व
No information is given.
इसमें तो कोई क्लेम नहीं है तो क्या
No
करोगे
information is given.
तो नो इन्फॉर्मेशन
Partners to one.
so what to do we have to distribute the full amount among the partners okay as there is no claim so this amount will be distributed to all partners in their old profit sharing ratio to cease capital account being workman's compensation reserve transferred or distributed to partners capital accounts. Workman compensation reserve transferred to partners capital accounts. Okay, this amount is how much? 1,20,000. Old ratio is 532. Amount is 1,20,000. 532 means divide by 10 is equal to 12,000. So A will get 5. 12,000 into 5. It means
60,000.
60,000. Total amount is 1,20,000. Okay. Out of 120,000, A will get 12,000 into 5. That means 60,000. B will get 12,000 into 3. That means 36,000. And C will get 12,000 into 2. That means 24,000. This will be the entry for distribution of this workman compensation reserve. Assuming that there is no claim in both the conditions, we have distributed this reserve and this reserve is transferred to partners capital accounts in their old profit sharing ratio. It is clear to all of you? Sairam?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, yes, please. Anyone want to ask anything? Next question.
No, sir.
What does it say? XYZ sharing profits and losses in the ratio 532 decided to, so this is the old ratio 532. This decided to share future profits and losses in the ratio of 235. No? Give the entry to distribute Workman compensation reserve rupees 1,20,000 at the change of profit sharing ratio when there is a claim of rupees 80,000 against it. Okay. So what will be there? Same entry will come here. Workman compensation reserve account debit. Okay. 1,20,000 to claim against Workman compensation reserve account. How much claim is there? Claim is 80,000. Sairam. So we have total reserve of rupees 1,20,000 and we have to pay the claim of rupees 80,000. So how much amount is left?
40,000.
Okay, so 1,20,000 minus 80,000. This remaining amount will be transferred to partners capital account in their old profit sharing ratio. Partners are XYZ. Okay. To X capital account. To Y's capital account. And to Z's capital account. To distribute this 40,000 and a difference of this two in the ratio of old ratio is 532. है ना 40,000 upon 10 यानी 4,000 into 5
20,000.
20,000 उसका आएगा 4,000 जी
12,000.
ओके 20 अमाउंट
12,000 and 8,000.
12,000 and C's will be 8,000 है ना so this will be the
Yes, sir.
amount that will be distributed among the partners in their old profit sharing ratio. Is it clear? Any doubt to anyone? So if there is a claim against the compensation reserve, in that condition only the amount which is free, है ना, or which we don't need to distribute as a claim, that will be distributed among the partners in their old profit sharing ratio. ठीक है? अभी कितने बच्चे आज समझ में नहीं आ रहा मुझे. How many students are there in the meeting? I can't see you because I am sharing the screen. 20. Very good, very good.
19.
So anyone has any doubt?
19 है sir.
Okay, no problem. Anyone has any doubt up to this point? Sairam?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Till now we have not got any problem where we have to make the adjustment, है ना? We have only got the questions of distribution. Now let us see. In this question, 14 number, partners are XYZ. They are sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2. They decided to change in the 2:3:5. Okay. And workman compensation is 1,20,000. Balance sheet, अब इसमें क्या दिया है, क्लेम ज्यादा है ना, रिजर्व कितना है 1,50,000 है, सॉरी 1,20,000 है, और क्लेम हमारे पास है 1,50,000. इसको देख लेते हैं, आपको समझ में आ जाएगा, सारी कंडीशन आ जाएंगी. पहले वाले में क्या था, नो क्लेम था. दूसरे वाले में क्लेम तो है बट इट इज लेस देन द अमाउंट ऑफ रिजर्व. इन थर्ड कंडीशन वी हैव द क्लेम मोर देन द रिजर्व. सो व्हाट वी विल पास द एंट्री. ये समझ में आ रहा है ना, क्वेश्चन नंबर चेंज हो रहा है, आपको स्क्रीन पे समझ में आ रहा है? आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट ऑन द स्क्रीन? Sairam?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
here we are starting next question, that is question number 14. So what is the entry? Now you can see workman, same entry, workman compensation reserve account debit. Okay, what is the amount of reserve available? That is 1,20,000. This person likes 1,20,000, I think. So in every question he is writing 1,20,000. 1,20,000 इसकी पसंद का डेट लग रहा है. Okay, now the claim, you can see how much claim is there. 1,50,000. So claim is more than the amount of reserve. So that amount will be debited to revaluation account. Revaluation account debit. Difference amount of claim and reserve available. है ना? Deficiency of reserve. Deficiency of reserve is of 30,000. This will be debited to revaluation account. To claim workman compensation claim account लिख सकते हैं. Claim against ऐसे लिख देते हैं, वर्कमैन कॉम्पेंसेशन claim account, claim against workman compensation reserve account. Okay, that claim is how much? That is 1,50,000. It means nothing is available to be distributed among the partners. Moreover, there is a shortage of rupees 30,000 which is debited to the revaluation account. So debit balance of revaluation account means loss. And if debit side of revaluation account is greater than credit side, it's a loss. And if credit side is greater than debit side, it's a profit. So there is no entry in the credit side. Only there is one debit of rupees 30,000 in the revaluation account. So this is the loss on revaluation, and this loss will be transferred to all partners capital account in their old profit sharing ratio. So this 30,000 rupees will be transferred to the capital accounts of XYZ. So X capital account debit, Y's capital account debit, Z's capital account debit, to revaluation account, being the loss on revaluation transferred to partners capital accounts. Here, let me mention question number so it will be helpful for those who will try to solve it. This is question number 14. Okay. Yes. Table. Okay. So now this, how much will be distributed? This loss of 30,000 and old profit sharing ratio is 532. Means 30,000 upon 10, 3,000 into 5. So A's loss will be, X loss will be 15,000. Buy's loss will be 10,000. And sorry. Dad's loss will be 5,000. Total loss will be 30,000. Okay. Before that, this was the question number 13. Question number 13. TS Table. Okay. Before that, the question number 12. TS Gravel. Okay. Before that, this was the question number 4:1. X by 11. Question number 11. TS Gravel. This will be saved now, so that will be helpful those who want to see later. Up to this, we have solved question number 14. And we have not got any question where we have to make the adjustment entry. Now it has come to the investment. So let us see the entry for investment also. It is same just like the workman compensation. Here we are comparing workman compensation reserve and claim. In this investment fluctuation fund, we compare value of book value of investment and market price of investment and amount available in the investment fluctuation fund. So if there is no fall in the market price of investment, then full amount of investment fluctuation fund will be distributed. If there is a fall in the price, then up to the fall, reserve will be transferred. This fall may be less than the provision available, then difference will be distributed among the partners. If it is equal to the provision, then no amount will be distributed. And if it is more than the provision, then this type of entry will be passed as we have just passed. That difference will be debited to revaluation account. Okay. So this is question number 15. TS Gravel. Okay. In this question, there are three partners A, B, C. है ना? Orally कर लेते हैं, time बचेगा थोड़ा सा ना. In the ratio of 5:3, they decide to share future profits. It is not needed, है ना? New ratio is not needed because we have to distribute the amount. When we have to adjust the amount, then we need new ratio because we need to find out gaining ratio or sacrificing ratio. But if we don't need to make the adjustment, then we don't need new ratio or gaining ratio or sacrificing ratio. It is saying give the NNT to distribute investment fluctuation reserve of rupees 20,000 at the time of change in profit sharing ratio when investments market value is 95,000, है ना? Appear in the books at rupees 1 lakh. So what is there? There is a fall in the market price. So what will be done? Investment fluctuation fund account debit. Okay. First we will transfer to investment account. How much fall is there in the prices of the investment? This investment fluctuation fund available with us is how much? Investment fluctuation fund is 20,000, है ना? Investment fluctuation reserve is 20,000. Out of this 20,000, first 5,000 rupees will be transferred to the investment account because there is a fall of rupees 5,000 in the market price of investment. Now what is left? We are left with the 15,000, है ना? 15,000 will be distributed among the partners in their old profit sharing ratio to Ace capital account, to B's capital account, and to C's capital account. Yeah. Being the investment fluctuation fund transferred to investment account and partners capital account. 15,000 को बांटना है, 15,000 is to be distributed. कितना कितना आएगा? Profit sharing ratio है 532. 15,000 upon 10, 1,500 into 5. So first one will get 7,500. Then 1,500 into 3, that means 4,500. And third one will get 1,500 into 2, that means 3,000. Is it clear, Sairam?
Yes, sir.
Sairam.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the entry for distribution of investment fluctuation fund where there is a fall in market price of investment of rupees 5,000. So first of all, we have to cover that loss in the fall of the market price, that is 5,000, and remaining amount will be distributed among the partners in their old profit sharing ratio. Okay. Now in this question, they have given all the conditions of investment fluctuation fund. Now let us see this question number 16. And Nitin, Nutan and Amar are partners, sharing profits and losses equally, and decided to share the profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1 in future. Okay. Extract of balance sheet. You can see the balance sheet. Asset side, we are given the investment of rupees 4 lakh, and liability side, we are given investment fluctuation fund of rupees 60,000. Is it clear that this much is clear to all of you? Sairam? Yes, please speak, respond. Arsi, are you there?
Yes.
Arsi, are you there or not? Arsi not there. Okay. Anjali Mishra. Anjali Mishra, are you
Yes,
there?
sir.
Okay. Have you got this question? मिला question आपको ये?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is there? Asset side we are given investment, and the liability side we are given the investment fluctuation reserve of rupees 60,000. Now it has given 4 conditions. First condition is, in all conditions we have to pass the entries for distribution. Nothing is for adjustment. Adjustment नहीं है, केवल distribute करना है सारी condition में, ठीक है? When its market value is not given, it means that it is at book value and market value are same. तो क्या करेंगे first condition में? What to do in the first condition? Siddharth. Siddharth, are you there? Naman. Naman Soni.
Yes, sir.
What will we do in the first condition? Okay. Niyati Jain is there. Niyati, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So what will be the entry in the first condition? Have you got the question?
इसमें होगा investment fluctuating reserve account debit to partners capital account.
Okay, so in this condition, there is no claim, no fall in the market price. So full amount of investment fluctuation reserve will be distributed. So you write the entry in first condition, all of you write. So it will be quick. Entry will be investment fluctuation reserve account debit to Nitin's capital account, to Tarun's capital account, and to Amar's capital account. है ना? Full amount will be distributed among the all partners in their old profit sharing ratio. So write the entry investment fluctuation reserve account debit to first partner is Nitin's capital account, to Tarun's capital account, and to Amar's capital account. Na? Amount 60,000 distribute in the old ratio, that is the equal ratio. Means each partner will get 20,000, 20,000, 20,000. Na? So that is the entry in the first condition. Each partner will get 20,000 rupees each. Now second condition is that its market value is rupees 4 lakh. Okay. In this condition, what will we do? Anurag Jain. Anurag, what to do in this condition? Yes.
Sir, it is same condition as above. So sir, there is no change in market value. Market value is equal to at cost. So sir, investment fluctuation reserve to partners capital account.
So now see the condition, market price and book value both are same. So there is no loss to the firm. So total amount of investment fluctuation fund is available to be distributed. So same entry as we have passed in condition number 1, same entry with same amount will be passed in condition number 2. So this will be the same conditions because market price and book value are same. As such, there is no loss to the firm. So total amount of investment fluctuation reserve will be distributed among the partners. So same entry, you can write same entry as per the above condition, or you can repeat the entry investment fluctuation reserve account debit to partners, that means Nitin's capital account, Tarun's capital account, and Amar's capital account, 60,000, 20,000 each. Okay. Third condition, market value is rupees 4,24,000. This is the question for Siddharth. Siddharth, what to do in this condition? Siddharth is there. I think Siddharth has gone somewhere. Okay. Then Priyanshu are there. Are you there, Priyanshu? But Priyanshu makes a lot of noise whenever he Yes, Priyanshu.
Sir, first we will distribute the investment fluctuation reserve. Then as the market price increases, the increase in market price should be taken into revaluation account. So investments account debit to revaluation account. Then the profit of revaluation will be transferred to partners capital.
Manveer, is he correct? Manveer, is he correct?
Yes, sir.
What to do?
Sir, first investment fluctuation reserve account debit to partners capital account in old profit sharing ratio. Then
Okay.
investment account debit to revaluation account, that investment brought up to market value, and then revaluation account debit to partners capital or current account in old profit sharing ratio.
Okay. So that is the increase in the market value of investments, है ना? Okay. Have you ever seen this entry? Somewhere have you seen this entry? Market value of investment has increased. Market value is more than. Okay. Have you seen this entry somewhere? Manveer.
No, sir.
Market value of investment has been increased and it is to be taken to the revaluation account. Okay. I have not seen any such condition. Let me check. Okay, it is there. No? It is to be distributed. Basically, it is somewhere against of the which concept. अगर हम ऐसा करते हैं तो किस concept का against में जाता है वैसे?
Cost concept है, cost.
No, not cost concept. Anurag.
Yes, sir.
If we do this, then probably we will be going against which concept? कौन बताएगा? साईराम, have you
So,
studied? हाँ जी, yes please.
so when market value of investment increase,
Hmm.
so in this condition, this entry was passed.
Okay. So basically, this entry is correct. What she has told. First entry is distribution of investment fluctuation reserve that will be distributed, क्योंकि लॉस तो हुआ नहीं है, तो पूरा रिजर्व डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दोगे आप उसको. और दूसरा है कि जो इंक्रीज हुआ है इन्वेस्टमेंट में, दैट इज ए प्रॉफिट, and that profit will be transferred first to the revaluation account, and then revaluation account profit will be distributed among the partners. Okay, but is it not a violation of conservatism concept? Have you discussed conservatism?
Yes.
Right.
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of conservatism concept?
The profit should be written if we have earned it. Otherwise, it should not be written. Whereas loss should be written.
Okay, that is the point. So until profit is actually earned, it should not be brought in the books of accounts, है ना? Loss must be provided for. Loss हुआ तो हमको क्या करना, प्रोविजन बनाना, इसलिए हमने रिजर्व बनाया ना. बट प्रॉफिट तो आपने इन्वेस्टमेंट बेच दिए क्या अभी? हैव यू सोल्ड द इन्वेस्टमेंट? हमने इन्वेस्टमेंट बेचे हैं क्या? साईराम, हैव यू सोल्ड द इन्वेस्टमेंट्स? इन्वेस्टमेंट तो बेचे नहीं हमने अभी. दिस प्रॉफिट इज नॉट येट रियलाइज्ड and technically it should not be brought in the books of accounts. I have seen the entry is given in the TS Grewal. Let me check it and verify it, है ना? But it is against of conservatism concept, because until the profit is realized, it should not be brought. But it can be in the revaluation, है ना? Revaluation हो सकता है उसका, है ना? So that I have to see. But entry is correct, whatever you have said. Okay. So that's all for today. We will discuss next topic, this next entries or next question in the coming classes. So you solve as many questions you can solve, and we have not got any question till now in which we have to make the adjustment. So that will be in the further questions. It will take 1 or 2 days, and then we will start the admission of the partner. Now I am stopping sharing and coming back to the class. Okay, Sairam. So now you can leave the class. I have to stop the recording. You can leave the class. Time is already over.
सर
Yes, please.
सर ऐसा सेम टू सेम क्वेश्चन सर इलस्ट्रेशन में है.